This nonsense must stop. I was a comedian as well. Ghana for no abe clash with Sofpenini Dr. Lawrence Tetteh. Ama Omabu Boma de party at Treno. Nina fa tribalistic comment bia. Sophie akotra UTV akopase. Almost right, a hen ha. Say Yamina didn't know ye munas of Sofu, oh ya ye mu. Omo abe clash with Mamma Tribuna Trewadrian Amame. Ewa comment section. I penya broke me. The mess was any demo. Obe like video no that my subscribe button somebody can keep notification connect latest update about chere wa dwen da mama e wo comment section oba so a no share first onya bi ahwe. You know, Dr. Lawrence Tetteh, that's our friend Worldwide Miracle Outreach, or one of the asofo Ghana hanmo Ghana for any dinechipa when it comes to the issue of LGBTQ. Ghana for any dinechi pay because abrana kufa etiswo na sofu we no o me hu ne stand against LGBTQ ewo Ghana hanamo. But interestingly, Mahama Ebayin as a wayedi, he has gone shash. It's not Ghana for when Christ omra bontrema wo sono kakra sere kufa na owo so ne ho no pusunya ka no oma wo so ne ho entre Mahama na yehu se oda so tiase na omuye nyamedwuma na oda so ye honhom da so nim every nimu what does it Nina came by when Mahama make it twist be in the comment on LGBTQ and Mahama say it is not the priority of Ghanaians. And I say Ghana for bufuye Emma Hona they were calling on Dr. Lawrence Tetteh say omra and some no catch ku father no omeka bi nkyere Mahama. It not so free Emma Kasa. It we an answer mu na me media no so sa cause na mo follow mo WhatsApp na mo have status you could see say my PENYAH the traveler me took a be fa ha no na me kwa ha da me na mo ha no asem about that me na me what dey we travel for the past 2 weeks ni na me wa Accra. It me na Accra month so no exactly 15th April 2026 you know. And I'm go pay billboard bi so wa Accra month so oh people pictures any we go pay billboard bi so as a billboard people that so you boy Dr. Lawrence Tetteh na the head where that so no ya say this nonsense must stop. This nonsense must stop. I say a national prayer and healing rally. Because I was National Theatre. From 11th May to 15th May 2026. So for PENYAH Dr. Lawrence Tetteh and this particular program. Now title that so this nonsense must stop. Because I was National Theatre. It me ya no many I was like, oh okay, yeah, so for you know, or so no kakra because idea na trendy. LGBTQ. Mahama say enye the priority of Ghanaians. Ama Felix Ofosiko atimu nyina defend they say enye the priority of Ghanaian. It me who me say okay ne so penyini be fire or be kasetia e mane nyina ye ni age boss of penyina basabusia yesi ka akumo ye gine kwaku anum e no bi ka asem a untimi ntiremu jesu onu ankasa ne tiremu to me na medwe ne say LGBTQ ho asem ana so fo ba be ka not until say onu ankasa ko pie mo UTV na ho no.
So over now, 3 decades, I've been speaking on this nonsense must stop. I started speaking on this nonsense must stop as far as the early 90s.
Okay.
Now go back and Google and look at this nonsense must stop. How many years I've been doing it in Ghana?
Okay.
It is a message that God gave to me, the absurdity of life. This nonsense must stop. It's not only about LGBT. LGBT is one of the nonsense. Mm-hmm. But that's not the only nonsense that must stop. One of the nonsense that must stop was what I spoke to you about this morning. That you sit here in Accra and speak only Twi and you don't speak the Ghana language. It is not fair. Absurdity, it must stop.
And the one who says, yeah, no more. LGBTQ accept na so for wa be kan Debbie say so I busy afa tribalism lens ashe wo hey erade yawe just so for afa tribalism lens ashe obie nani anani ho tribalism o kire mu se eni se o Accra na o ye when you sika bia TV station and radio station or presenters they shouldn't speak Twi eni se o mu ka Twi wo ho no mo e wo se o mu ka ga sen kam ti means oh often what does it often acho me PENYAH Enoch ni ye ka ye ka ko ye nim aha eni se betra me ebuja fa machi o Debbie so when you just say e yankwase asem that nonsense no it must stop. Dr. Lawrence Tetteh, we have a credit do at them. Also, Penny, obey I don't credit do at them. Now, I'm saying, as of Penny, can you know? And then media say, we are Pascal for the way. And as of Wiki. Oh, quite round of no. Oh, go dig out PTV, train our camp for bro from Yamokasa. It'll be Casa, no, they're nonsense. But yeah, Ghana ha. Casa Bacoso, I dominate. I can't be a no be can what I'll say a nonsense. I must stop there in some way. The Ebe war Ghana for no Edo Monsa. Abeke council of Penny Kakra, NP Kakrebi.
Kind, say it is nonsense for private people to set up radio stations in Accra and be speaking Chi there.
Aye.
But it is not nonsense for private people to set up radio stations in Accra to speak English. Omukabra for any nonsense.
I wonder.
What they all say Jimmy, I almost said damn Jimmy, I almost said damn or time, I almost say are Jimmy Ahoya, the Shimu, Jimmy Ahoya, and the Shimu, a bet Ebasa, is a best for the Jam console to catch your moment or Tina Dawson. English Ramo Kao Mohono, English no, and no, say all my Mukasa, China, all my Mukasa, Opasi and Tonton Kofa Brofose, Jimmy Ahoya, being cancelled with some moving car, Nema Mukasa, or nothing in Krumukasa, being small be. What I say, Moto Mamma Jimmy Ahoya, or time. Jimmy Ahoya, we what I saw them a church and Crawford, I said, or in a mini poll, what I saw them not Crawford's dinner, Jimmy, some say. We see a big jam console, this is a most young answer. What I say, Jimmy Ahoya, the Shimu, Jimmy Ahoya, and Hoya Shimu or time Shimu. Being can't trust a man called Krumukasa. What I say, being can't trust a man called Krumukasa. To run us about Hawa. Also could be a radio station like Krum Casa also. I see a summer quaka. What to a moment and Hoyano or time who do Sunday up or transfer them at Kenyamism. Was see a sermon and motel as well them and Moody. May me see as well them with that. Me could be so that. Cause a young Quasiasam so for as a phone baby and Jimmy 7 or motor or Moody. Young Cassant movies a day. Young Cassant movies a day. We are beginning all kind for so bad also. Say Jimmy Ahoya, we what they Timun Papa Moon about my moon. O cabro for the Ocean sauce mount, bro for now till my moon out can be. And you say, young boy basso, or we could catch you, dear young yak, as a new Krum Cassanti, ye promote you in a young yak. Or see a summer quack, may say, a big jam of console, this is a most young answer. Piant no biafoku. Oh, yeah, papa.
Lawrence Tetteh, our friend who say we are suffer. Unni munyansa. Wadwene ye adwuma wo ye kwasia yiye obi a wo fra wo se nyame nipa osofo sanka woni munyansa anka wo be se ensem a yese fi we nu ba no enye ensem a de asomdwe yi ene biakoye ebeba nipa ne nipa ntem ba enye ensem a de mpapa mu ene ano babai ebeba be se we jimi a wo ye kwasia nti no wo de sofodi na to ho so keke o jimi fu bi te se wo eyen kwasi asem se yebeka twi kasa e won kran asase so be yen kwasi asem se yebeka brofo kasa e won kran asase so we hu jimi a we jimi afema hu ne nti ebibifo ye ntimi nkoye ni muda because o sen wo yonko a otan o brofo kasa ne de yoki ba twi kasa ne de enyoki sa jimi a nkranfo mu bi no mu jimi na mu jimi ko no mu nko so jimi nko na me ka kire o se nkranfo munni asase wo Ghana enkranfo munni asase e wo Ghana mobile no sankran asase na da ho na asuje nyina edum ntokwa wo se yekon edije asase na to ne yakon awie mu benya asase na tena so fala ye de maamo se mon tena so fala because na akanfo wo tema enne nkwasiafo mboa bi asori ana akanfo ye tribalism anka mu mododo na mu ni bebi ti e wo Ghana akanfo ye tribalism a wo mpanipa anka mu mododo mu sa aframafo no anka mu ni bebi ti e wo Ghana enne mabeje ntinti ye nkwasiasem se ye beka twi kasa na kan kasa e won kran asase so na kwasia sa nkran asase no unim na bakwasem generation bi beba me catch you pain there will be no gamanche e won kran asase so mark this day mraka we ni mudoso e mraka we ni mra ye twa we ye chi na ye ketuwa bi enti kosu jimi sa akọ me na me ka kire wonne make ne day edi 100 years a ebebem. A time is coming there will be no womowo in crying asase so. And crying the rightfulness no ebe take in charge there won crying asase so. Mark my words. Enti monko sun jimi na mbubu mo pa enko. Se mo pese ye kire mase a ye be kire mase ne ye mahu se munni asase wo Ghana. Ena mo sori a ena ye se yesesa akwa abawa ha ena ye se yesesa we wa ha ena se aboa mutu good wo e won kran ensu good board head office e won kran mutu good wo ho cocoa board e won kran mutu cocoa won kran food and agriculture office e won kran mo ye food and agriculture wo ho majimi ayete se mpreku kwasiafo enkran na eda ho no enye capital na eba ho aframa anase amanfo different tribes aba ho a anka wudu nkran ya obehu ne tesa se fa kwa wo ye nantwi ne mpreku fa kwa wo ye nantwi ene mpreku asema me kan meboa a ennempa nkran ho no no aye capital no konkran na kohwe bebi a typical nkran fona nkasa ate fa kwa nkran fo nkasa ate ubehu se eye no kware se ye jaw ma mo nkran fo kwa se mo ntena ho a anka wudu ho a obeka se ase mpreko ne nantwi ne ye ho mo sori a mo kasa te se ye de kerosene ejina mo ti mo ye bi se mo ye jaw nkran ise nkran fo kwa na ntena ho a nkran be ya kono radio station ya de a wo kan nkran fo ahe na etimi ebu radio station won kran ho no akan fo kwa na bebu edwuma wo ho na kwase ampani ma bebu edwuma wo Ghana nyina capital na wo si wo kasa na memfa ndi dwuma na wo kire kasa memfa ndi dwuma wo ho adan na magimi saa sika wodi siesie nkran no emu ahe na efi nkran asase so emu ahe na wonya fiponim kwasi ampani mompo ano enye toilet nkwa na ebusu wo toilet na makokwa asam mpo na no wo ho no mo no ye ton no ne ye ton ne ye siesie nkran ana akan fu nyina na se fa ko a sika fiba akan fo no oda wo friend den won aka e ka se ye mamo mfa bibia wa ha nkon nkran na be ye nkran mo trust na mo njimi a time is coming mo be hu mo kwasi aso ade mo ani su be ye mo wan
wado asamwasi eye Dr. Lawrence Tetteh abusiafo o ka asembi se this nonsense must stop na saa na chire mu no oduru eye kasa mu die no we ultimu se tribalism talk pa na oye dey all can all in the name of say untimi nye dey. This nonsense must stop because untimi metran cry wo bra wonye dey unkaga e wo se saa nonsense ne dey stop no bia na betran cry e force so betimi akan cry doctor enye obia enye force na impo asam no kra wo kano wa nkasa wasan aka kra asan contradictory because wo ti hoi enye nkasa wo kan enye Ghana tribal bia na kasa no English na wo kan be bisa talk of free fa abusia mesere mu a wo de menko na nkoti fro no ankasa na no munye dai emra wo me video no
as far as the early 90s.
Okay.
Now go back and Google and look at this nonsense must stop. How many years has been doing it in Ghana?
Okay.
It is a message that God gave to me, the absurdity of life. This nonsense must stop. It's not only about LBJ. LBJ is one of the nonsense. But that's not the only nonsense that must stop. One of the nonsense that must stop was what I spoke to you about this morning. That you sit here in Accra and speak only Twi, and you don't speak the Ghana language. It is not fair. Absurdity, it must stop. What is this nonsense must stop? This nonsense must stop is something that is not right. This nonsense must stop. Certainly, if we want to term it on LGBT terms. My good friend and brother, Moses Fua.
Wa doctor asem we awoka yi se wa nkasa wasi aka asem na asen abu ahofo. Said this nonsense must stop no. Utimi metna nkran. Wo bra wonye dai unkan kran na se wo tin kran wo ne brofo na wo kan be so bi za brofo na ye nkran fo kasa na safi wo hu by force so bia na be ba be tran kran wo so timi dai isu an kran dai tin kran enye force sa so na kran ni susu tu kwan ko ba bia enya for so say eye nipa ne pe what I say so obisua nti asem we ya ho kan die mai wan gaza wasanya kasem na bu ahofo because what hoyi nkan voice so na ate so brofo ye kan say nhere say abrofo omo kasa na so we ye dey so kan nti we so Ghana wa ho
so me no kodua ka asem bi general secretary now people were misconstruing what you were saying say ade no ho mu ka ho you can take it out baby omo faaye ekoye ya mo ba de bia ni pewuo no onyame asane asini nsraban mu ti anim guase yankwaso no de ka wo mo until you use a lesser spirit asofo binom you use them and then nyame na wa hwe wa senate ni nsraban mu and I'm sorting class somewhere Lawrence Tetteh okokai is an apology to the world this nonsense must stop Adentina obesi ayi or the saying radio station e won kan for asase so a ya obeka twi onim nyansa Lawrence Tetteh onim nyansa because oye Christoni pa na ye Christoni dia enyi mu de nyame mpeno no Yesu Kristo Obama yera boniyefo se Yesu Kristo timi la chaos fie na se Yesu Kristo na se every or the saying oba dwamanfo no dia onim nyansa no kodi se kro e wosubi no e or say so no such a senseless talk this nonsense Lawrence Tetteh this nonsense you must stop now you're pressing me I don't insult pastors but I'm condemning him no because me and I'm proud to associate myself but not such elements like Lawrence Tetteh yeah we cut now comfort tribal lady abetu ni nyansa sa na minimri sa na me tiasia ministry so a ke ba chade me pamo no nyame ne eye sa se be ya nanum du do na dwene nye and na wo ba ye no akronfo committee a ya tie se Ghana aban sa se yanton nie no oda no na osofo onko ready eye 2 Kings chapter 5 verse 26 emra asamo Elisha okachere or saying Gehazi was here bread to say mu na wojengo emra ti say also it is sorry gina emano nyamia Sunday the Lawrence Tetteh and co you went against it and then the obaya yeton when you chefa into the tribal politics there to be no person maker menua emo ya NDC kujina masamai jo mama kasati said menua yeah o de mama tutu bible ho a emfa o osma for Paul kan say me ya bofra na me kasasa bofra ba mama de sabi wonyini do 100 years kura no a ani bre bone ni suma bone nti no obekasa kura ya wo nga o kwa na kwaba nti aba bio no sanka wutini fie nyansa wo mo mampani with all respect o kojina masamai na me ba bio dia ye diskane shamu samu a ma taponche enkura ne bedi mpusu the same person at 2012-2008 mu share ni say school fee dia ya dia ba no mo de be ko private schools nyina mo de be ko kura bia ase ekosi say mobile you had a problem it should have been guided by wisdom John Dramani Mama with all respect I fed your buyer share dia kosie and nem kura ya dia na me se me ma e wo school every now and then daddy yes every now and then because dia no nye yeah Ediano no nye and ya bru headmaster see any teacher see ya come on atum they are afraid but no it took the intervention of child say sanity dia ya man krana kofie na no akwa bi nanim fia bi gira akoja say we ya pia ma ho ahwan entesa na ye nim dia koso ya tie mai mu da ben dam ye man kwada eba eni maku e wo school eba nya Nigeria for diane eno krom won kwampom de ka we de twimako ni atia to ani eba under John Dramani Mama baby akodoro no na me say yen we deserve it me call me mabiom anya hwekwa na nka ba omiasa wa another 4 years entin ko ba dini say me nya de pa san fie nan no obrapa e kire ni wurakwan hwe bia akodoro ya nya atum saa o but a bin so an Yankopon senya o ye Israel for no wodi mo free Babylon de mo ba Jerusalem wo mo de aho press e be sa ko Egypt nyame kan ya o mantie no jai wo mo na the very thing na omu dwane ya kwam ne yare no owuo no etwa wo mo enti bia no nyame so aduru saa but ya kufu ado de aduru ye na ko ete se kufu de koduru atona broni aduru kena ya tweba emfie nwotwe no ya konfia duanan achi and then DC nyame saa de kufu ado bai ojaniama bebrebe anso ye ebinumani na obi the free access aba mo se ye mpeye pepad no akodwon no abo na ni geje pad ho de abaya ya krasi ni ya na minim ni pa okofa ne baba Dr. Baomi office wonom abaya no wo MPP nyira no woton ma ohyiawa ana bo mema oba severally did I condemn that girl enti wako ye no nyam nwanwa sa jo mama wodna kwatra ne office sa adwuma na wo ye no because I have no ntimi nye Baomi will never accept that. He's such a decent man. And into our hard money at the Adinian, not by an umpe. Or quite and I cut your due over 50,000. Wait. One no slash animal, or say the MPP money. Mema oba. Crash anyway. 50,000. Your mama not got trade for the ja no any faso. Edmana why and yan they say or your presidential staff no. Or if you know you the acomano. Toto because you are the bank quite fee. What I say? Only 50,000. Na yembu sasa lecturers papa professors ahudo doctors ahudo your man raki or brains from more universities how much did they take oh yeah first degree or you say how they say Care University minim just what to ask or give 50,000 about your way namu or no your party guru girl and that your mama na kontra Jennifer so yeah and I wash him because people na ba me anyintum ti won kwana na hompim me kwato nam hia ne skirt bi no wati computer nam say na dia na muso mo ba be yi when of ring ya on wo ba say ne ka ba bia no wati computer ho ene ma bu on ma na kane na o say ba say me minua say ne bible kan say free Yohanes boni pese okro no ye ba ko na ni bre ene o mo ntrem no ba ki yen but ye kwa de nyame abonifra ene awrefre wo mo kan ni sa na say aduma ko ba fi ene nyame abonifra no mo refi who so over the years in your bian for asem kra mai don't ya say anywhere in fa or no buy you 50,000 na MPP this is 4,500 eya mumre emo ya mumre emo eya mumre
ekwaya MPP aban fa so treaty MCs to DCs emo ya emo nwatwewu emo ya emo nwatwewu ifia ebemu ya ebi so yare. Oh, in fact, now na pressure the bema wonu e bi ni me krasa say omusika no so atofo say so untu da bi omo end of service benefit atofo say untua imo ya untua bateja na efo so mining but we ase no and then this buy so much 300 million a month me say this for no senyame pena me o me resume list ye dey ba. Yeah, Ghana for say lean government. The same lean government 2008 they promised it. And Siaga enti manyada age amo manifesto ni nyina no. The cycle of the repeated but broken promises from 2008, 2012, 2016. Say your mama the mantra ni say Ghana for ye refree. Yeah. And inti yansu ye be dia chama ya expulsion. And one thing fundamentally MPP has not been able to do, and he said, you're defining NDC clearly. You're defining.
To the word, you have an comment section. How you PENYAH Media.